In this video, we will show you how to activate Strong Customer Authentication, also called SCA, and grant consent on your Property Bridges account. After logging into your Property Bridges account, select Consent from the menu on the left. On the consent page, take a moment to read the description explaining how Property Bridges uses this authorization to securely process transactions through Mangopay. When you are ready, click Provide Consent Settings to begin the setup. You will be redirected to our payment provider, Mangopay. Tick the Terms and Conditions box, then click Start your verification. You will be asked to approve the permissions needed for Property Bridges to securely support your investment account. Once reviewed, click Save and Continue. To enhance security, Mangopay may ask you to verify your identity using your device security. Click Continue and confirm using your fingerprint, Face ID, or screen lock. Your device may ask you to create or confirm a passkey. This allows you to securely authenticate using your device in future. Next, confirm your email address by entering it in the field shown and click Continue. You will now be asked to create a 6-digit security PIN. Enter your chosen PIN, confirm it, and then click Save to continue. Select your country code, enter your mobile number, and click Continue. You will receive a one-time code by text message. Enter the code to verify your identity. Once completed, you will return to Property Bridges and see that both SCA and Proxy platform authorization are active. If you need any assistance, please contact the Property Bridges team at team@propertybridges.com or call us.